Hello guys and girls, in this video we're going to be looking at this beautiful spoon. This thing is unusually thick. I kind of like it. It's nice and heavy. Beautiful tarnish right here. We have a very nice long size here. Look at my hand. Gives you an idea how big this thing is if I were to hold it. There you go. It's a fairly large piece. So we do have, looks like there's a bit of a pattern like a flying bird here. Pattern, and on the front there's nothing at all. And let's see, on the back here we're getting, looks like 3 separate marks. Let me take a magnifying glass and take a look at what this thing says. So it looks like the first mark looks like it's a shield, and inside the shield it has letter C, uppercase letter C. Second mark says Dixon, D-I-X-O-N, and those letters are in circles. And the last mark looks like a big flag, and inside the flag we have a trumpet. Yeah, looks like a trumpet. Well, there we go. If you're familiar with these marks, if you know what these are, please let me know down in the comments. I would be very interested to know. If you know if this is silver, that also would be super helpful. We will do testing right now, but unfortunately this could be plated, or maybe this could be triple, so that's going to be very hard to determine, but we're going to give it our best. Look at that nice beautiful tarnish. Okay, let's start. So I'm thinking let's do, maybe we'll do this side here, maybe we'll do this side here, and maybe we'll do the back here, right here, and maybe we'll do one of the corners. So maybe we'll do 4 marks. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what's gonna happen. First mark. Okay, so this doesn't look very promising. However, metal feels very hard. So that's also not, actually this is starting to look much better. Okay, I like this, I like what I see, but metal feels very hard actually. Definitely very hard. There you go, first mark, and this was this side here. Okay, so maybe let's do maybe this side here as well. There we go. Coming through. Metal feels very hard. There we go, second mark, and this was just right here. Okay, so let's do maybe this side here. This feels kind of softer. By the way, this was a thrift store pickup. I probably paid like $2 for it, or $1.99, something like that. Okay, let's do the back here. I'm just seeing, this piece looks here brighter than usual. You just see this piece right there. Maybe somebody already tested it. Yeah, definitely I see a mark there. Okay, let's give it a try. I don't believe I tested this one before. Maybe I have. Maybe it's my mark. I'm going through so many of these that it's sometimes hard to remember which one I actually verified and which one I didn't. Okay, so now we're gonna be looking for consistency here. Let's see if we can get consistent results with our 18 karat on first, second, third, and fourth marks. There we go. We're gonna take our 18 and let's start dropping this acid. 2 drops on the first mark. 1 and 2. That's not looking good at all. First drop on the second mark. Second drop on the second mark. Not looking good. First on the third, second on the third. No. And first on the fourth, and second on the fourth. All right, it looks like none of them are coming through as silver. There we go. So if you were to see something similar to this spoon, or exact same thing, you know it's not silver. Let me show you again how the spoon looks up close. There we go. Again, nothing on the spoon says that it's silver, but the tarnish and 3 hallmarks on it. There we go. That's how they look. Well, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate that. Give it a like, subscribe, share with everyone, and I'll talk to you in the next one.